Yeah.
Daddy.
I bet I know something the power stroke can do. What? Unhang a Hummer off a hill.
Yeah.
How you doing, Frank? In his daddy's Hummer. Let me see how you're flying.
Oh, Bradley's got it?
Jody, get out and rock on it. Do that rock crawl.